car respond to induction kit like that before? Never in my entire life. Why are you filming this?
Because this will be that's the start. I've never seen induction kit do this to a car.
Actually, yeah, is the start of a really good, isn't it? People go, what the f happened?
Exactly. Bit more. Bit more. That's it.
Today, we're going to do a bit of a comparison with FK8s. We did the last video on the oil change a couple months ago. It did really well and seemed a lot of feedback, a lot of questions about stuff to do with FK8. So we thought, right, we have this one. We've done a few bits and pieces to it. We've done a PRL downpipe and the full Fujitsu titanium exhaust. So what we're going to do here is I have an FK8 myself. It's completely stock, completely standard, never touched. So we've done the base run on it to show where we're starting from. So what we're going to do now is we're going to strap this on the dyno, show you the difference the PRL downpipe and the Fujitsu exhaust is going to make, and then we're going to go ahead and fit Eventuri carb induction kit, and then show the difference that will make as well, and then we'll move forward through the video. It's less
than yours?
Yep. I wonder if this is the engine lights on. So we've went ahead and done a couple of runs on the car. It's actually made less than the factory car did on the dyno previously this morning. So it did, my car did 325 and this did 318, and that's with the PRL downpipe and the Fujitsu exhaust. We're going to put it down to torque management, which is why the next stage after we fit the Eventuri, the next stage we'll have is on Data Flash Pro, which will probably be in a different video, but yeah, that'll be the next thing. We'll actually control the car and then set it up correctly so it's customized, or it's optimized for all the modifications that we made to it. So
fitting the
Eventuri then.
Let's do it.
DC5. That'll be for our flow meter. That is yummy. Like, you can actually see that was a flat piece of material, look, and then they've just rolled it over, and then see the same. But it's please get plaster power somewhere. I want one. That's all going to sit like that. That's pretty.
Yeah, that's nice.
The plaque and all's nice on it. She doesn't like him because he's a bit of a... Okay, so induction kit's all fitted. Wasn't the most straightforward job, but it looks really, really well. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead, get the car heated back up to temperature, do a couple more dyno pulls and see exactly the difference it makes and how it sounds as well. Unreal. I wasn't expecting it at all. We've just done our first pull on dyno there after fitting the induction kit, and to say we're pleasantly surprised is an unbelievable understatement. Yeah,
So what did we start with?
we started with 318 at the clutch, at the flywheel, and 293 foot-pound of torque. We fitted the induction kit. It's done 347 and 331, so pretty much 20 horsepower and 38 foot-pounds torque is just unbelievable. So we went ahead and done a run within minutes. These cars are known for really bad for heat soak, so we thought, right, this figure is going to drop. And the second run is done 345 and 327. So it's dropped 4 foot-pound and 2 horsepower. So that's, yeah, unbelievable. It's over £1,200 induction kit, but from what I'm saying, it's worth every penny. So it is definitely worth every penny. I think I might get one. So it sort of sold me on it to say I've never seen an induction kit game power like that before. Never. Unbelievable. Really impressed. Wow. Yeah, really impressed with the numbers in the Eventuri induction kit. Really fantastic. So next step is Honda Flash Pro. We're going to save that for another video and then show the differences it'll make once we start tuning the car with this. So yeah, another good video. Like and subscribe.